Oh god, so haven't exactly done a video. You know what? Hey, now you can see more of me. Yeah, so I haven't exactly done a video or much of anything this year. It's, well, I mean, if you live on planet Earth, you know what the F is going on. As far as FPV videos and stuff like that, I really haven't put one out since that, I guess, that how I got an FPV one, so, and hanging out with Ken Heron, and he's trying to get me some subscribers to my YouTube channel, so I'm like, I need to start making content. And here I am off work. The only thing that's really holding me back is my 3-year-old son is out of daycare, and so I don't exactly have the flexibility that I used to back when I was working and he was in daycare. So yes, I'm talking to myself.
Oh, I'm hearing voices.
Yes, you are. There, where was I? I'm off work, not doing much, so yeah, maybe I should start making content again. Don't really think it'd be much of a second income, but you know what? Let's just have some fun with it. I need to clean up in here big time, especially if I'm going to start streaming like I wanted to. But other than that, drone related stuff, flying in the front yard. It's not exactly a Joshua Barbell sized yard, but it's something. Got to fly with Ken last weekend, so that was nice. Of course, keeping a arm's length social distancing. Yeah, so this whole coronavirus has turned the whole world upside down. So, damn, I really don't know what to say. So, help me out. Yeah, I'm trying to put at least one video out a week, stream maybe on a Saturday or a Sunday. Been hitting Phantasy Star Online too pretty hard, so might go with that. Other than that, got a lot of work to do. But, you know what, enough of me blabbing. How about you watch me wreck my Quavar 2?